Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll continue work on this project and today we'll create product info banner. Let's get started. First step, we create new component. We can use name product info banner and also create component. Using snippet. Okay, and also we need to create model styles for our component using CSS models and connect these styles here. Import styles from here. Okay, and next we need to connect our component to our page. Let's do it. Using our component, and let's open the window. Okay, our component is work and we can continue work on this section. First we create markup. It will be section, new section, and next we need to create image. First we create wrapper for our image and next we create our image src, and also we need to export this image and this background. Okay, create new name. We can use in product banner img. Okay, and also we need to export our background. We can copy this name only we can delete image and writing baga, and also we need to change. Okay, now we can import our images. First we import product from assets, images, and here's our image. Import and connect this image. Let's look at the window. Okay, this image work, and next we need to create a container for our section because this container is smaller than usual. Create new div and copy this code here. Okay, and next we need to create our content. Create new div for our content and first create title. We can using h3 tag. Copy this text. Next we need to using list and leave. and copy this text. Okay, and next we need to create a content button. Create new div and import our reusable button and add text. Also copy price using h5 tag. Okay, let's look at the window. Everything works, and now we can start to stylish our component. First we need to add class. Here we can using inner, and here we can using styles main, and also we need to create wrapper. We can using wrapper image, but we don't have any wrapper, and we can using only wrapper. Okay, and also we need to class for title. Title and for our list. Okay, and in the end we need to class for bottom and class for price. Okay, now let's go to start it. Our project. First we create styles for our main. We need to change background color and turn on developer mode. Copy background color. Next create padding. Okay, and next we need to create style for inner. We need to add max width. And also we need to add heading left and right. Okay, and using width 100% and display flags. And column gap. (24 pixels). Okay, and also we need using margin because our content must be in the center, using margin null and using margin 0 and out. Okay, and let's go to add style for our title. And create margin bottom. And next we need to add style for our list using our class and First we create styles for our element. And add margin button. Okay, now everything looks nice, but we also need to add styles to our bottom. Create bottom, okay, and using display flex, and also we need to create styles for our price. Copy these styles here, delete, add. Okay, now everything looks nice, but we also need to add here alien item center, and also we need column gap because we need space between button and price. Add column gap 26 pixel. Okay, now everything looks nice, but we also need to change alien items position because we need to center content and product, and also add a new margin. We need to using margin top. Okay, and I forgot one very important thing. Our elements have margin between product. Okay, we can create padding left 5 pixel. And now using justify content alien item center. Okay, and let's go to create background for our image using wrapper. Background image URL, and we can use in its work, and also we need to change high and width our wrapper image. Width, add width and high. Okay, let's look. And also need to change background size. And background repeat, none. We can using no repeat. Okay. And our product is too big. and let's add max width. Okay, now everything looks okay, and also we need to add display flags and center our image. Using display flags, justify content center and align items center. Okay, everything looks nice. And also we need to change width our element because our element is too slim. Okay, let's open our product card and change max width. Okay, and in the next video we need to add stars, and also we need to connect this button because now it doesn't work. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe on the channel, and see you in the next video.